directly replace the original car CDI. If the original car is DC, you don't need to connect this wire. If it is AC, you need to connect this wire. Anti-zap function. After parking, the vehicle cannot be started by pressing the anti-zap button. Press any some buttons again to release the anti-zap function. Press the button in the lower right corner to limit the speed to 6000转每分. The second button is to remove the speed limit. The third button can change the ignition curve to make the engine run at maximum power.